of enchantment.
Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today's video is part of a challenge hosted by Hilary at the Old World Home. I'm going to leave the link to her channel in the description box, as well as everyone else who's participating via playlist. We were asked to spend $5 at a thrift store, and whatever we buy we have to show how we're going to use it in our home. So let me show you all what I brought for $5. So this is what I got, a planter. Pretty old but definitely usable still. And the other thing I got, this kind of broken humidifier. And seeing as this is a fall Halloween DIY, I had the perfect idea. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to transform this old thing and that old thing into something everyone talks about when they come to your home. The first thing you're going to do is fill your planter with a layer of gravel. Woo! Look at all of that dust. And then, of course, we're going to add our soil. These two beauties are going to be repotted in here. I've just gently squeezed this out of the pot and I'm going to decide where I want to put it. I'm not sure how much space I've got to work with, so I'm going to go with this small plant here, and it's orange and purple, which is perfect for Halloween. You're going to get your hands dirty with this project. Look, even Leo's got a bit of dirt on his nose. So we're going to take this one here because it's tall, so it's really nice to have different sizes, different textures for your landscaping. We're getting to the main bit now, and we're going to be using a black bag to protect the humidifier. I've used some black electrical tape just to seal it and protect it nice. I'm creating a plastic lid for the humidifier using a transparency film. And we've just marked it up so that we can cut its size. I've cut the top of a bottle off so that I can place it on top there where the mist comes out, just so that it's more concentrated. I've made an X on here and cut it out so that we can slot the bottle through. And I've stuck the two together with some hot glue. I've removed some of the soil in the pot so that I can make space for this. Once you've placed your humidifier inside, you're going to want to cover the cord, so just cover that with soil and all around the edges here. Take some moss because you want to cover all of that mud. So you can see we have covered the whole thing with this moss, and this is a light coloured moss, so it works really well for fall and Halloween themes. But I've made sure to leave this part here open so that the mist can still come out. But we've just made sure to camouflage everything, the soil and the humidifier. And it might look boring for now, but we are going to jazz this up. And to do that, the first thing I'm going to do is decorate the planter itself. This is just going to be really simple. I've got this satin garland pumpkin and I'm just going to stick that in the middle. That's all stuck down, so let's move on to decorating this area here. Take some creepy crawlies and would you look at this. This has just been done naturally by some hot glue gun, I think falling on it or something, but I really do like the effect. Kind of looks like it's a spider's web. So I'm going to be sticking this on here as well as a few others. Take some toy stuffing and hot glue it to the base of your planter. So there you have it, you've got your creepy crawlies on and your artificial spider web and more creepy crawlies. I've also added in this switch here that I got from Poundland, and a crow that's kind of losing its feathers, but shh, we'll keep that secret. Have fun and get creative and put in whatever accessories you want just to bring it to life. And I've got this mini broomstick that I got from the works, and I think it should fit in her hand perfectly. So pleased with that. Give it some colour by adding some bright orange pumpkins, and these were from Poundland. They actually were on a light, but I just took them off. And I'm adding in some dried fruit that look like pumpkins, so I've got this one here, and I also have a bag of miniature ones as well. And this is what they look like. And I've placed them there under the tree. Add in some more colour by taking these miniature mushrooms. And I've got these miniature signs, so I'm going to write keep out on there. I tried lots of colours, by the way, red, orange, green, and the purple just fitted best, so I'm going to just poke that inside here. I feel like it's missing one more thing, and I didn't have a miniature skull, so this guy had to donate himself, and I just had to snap this off so that I can use it, and I think this will look perfect just here. Everything always comes in handy. I accidentally bought these little rats. I thought they were big toys for my cats, and I decided to keep them, and this is just what I was looking for. he's going to go right here. And here's the finished project. I am so pleased, you guys, with how this came out. It's definitely one of my favorite DIYs, and I love thinking outside the box and creating new things for you all to see. I worked so hard on this, so I hope that you can share this video and enjoy taking a new idea on board. If this has inspired you, give this video a like and make sure you're subscribed to my channel for more unique ideas. Happy crafting! Thanks for watching. Bye!